proud to be a woman and I am proud to be me. I feel most confident when I am doing what I love and when I'm around the people I love. Just being in an environment where I feel like I can be myself. I've been using Tatti since the very beginning, and when I first started doing makeup in my first salon that I was working at, over time I built a relationship with them, and now I get to work with my favourite lash brand.
I absolutely love my job. Every day it's completely different and I get to meet new people all the time. What makes me proud to be a woman is probably our resilience. I think as women we face so much throughout our lives. We always go into it headstrong and face everything that comes our way.
I'm so proud of how far my brand has evolved being a working mum. So for me, International Women's Day means celebrating achievements. So I left my job 3 years ago on International Women's Day to start my own brand. So for me, I will take a look back each year and think what I have achieved that year, and I think it's really important to do that. I've been working with Tatti Lashes for a while now, creating custom looks for their campaigns. They gave me a really amazing opportunity a while ago to create some looks for their LA campaign, and I've been working with them ever since.
I just love doing makeup because it's my creative outlet and it's how I express myself. So I would say my biggest inspiration is actually my past self, because when I look back at all the videos and pictures, it inspires me to keep on going and shows that I can do what I want to do and what I love.
A message to my younger self would be not to rush. I think when I was younger I was always in such a rush to like grow up and like look at all these amazing women and think, oh I can't wait to be like tall and pretty. I think just don't rush and everything will come to you.
A message to my younger self would be to be patient, so kind of similar, and just stay true to yourself and trust in timing because the universe will work everything out.